Snake Mountain in Ratchaburi. Snake Mountain. Ratchaburi. So this is the car park. And there are some accommodation for overnight. Kung makita nyo yung mga parang mga kubo-kubo yan, I don't know how much per night. I-inquire pa natin ngayon. And meron din silang parang mini Changi. So pwede pala dito mag-overnight talaga. May mga okay, more updates later. Snake Mountain. Wow. Snake Mountain. Malapit lang din siya sa restaurant, so pwedeng makakain. Ito pala, ang lalaki ng mga isda, oh. Kitang kita. Pag nakasama ko sila jet dito, wala, iisdain na yan. Okay, kukunan natin, malapitan mamaya. Snake Mountain. Okay. This is the Snake Mountain. Okay, let's go. Yuri, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Okay. This is the surrounding. This is the surrounding. Okay. Entering the gate. Okay. Maganda pala dito pag gabi because may lights. See Rio? Dia. Okay na. Props na sila, props. Okay, because men at work. So may isturbo natin sila, guys. Gusto ko pa naman sana magstay Ito yung sa ano, baba. Yung sa baba. Papunta doon. Medyo maalog. Yan. Ito ang different angle, guys. Wow, clouds formation. It's really nice. Yeah, nice. London Bridge is nakita na. Okay. Walk natin, guys. So once again we are in the Snake Mountain in Ratchaburi. Ratcha means jewel and Buri means city, and therefore Ratchaburi means the city of jewel, kasi maraming magaganda dito. Okay, ang ganda, wala tourist pa talaga to dito, guys. And besides, it's very easy to come since this place is in the midst of the city of Ratchaburi. Nasa gitna lang siya mismo ng city. And Ratchaburi is not that big city, but it's such a very nice place. And this is good for family outing as well, because you can do some recreation activities like boating, walking, hiking, rock climbing. Yeah, rock climbing is best, as you can see that this is best for rock climbing. Rock climbing. So this is composed actually of rock mountain. Rock mountain. Ikutin muna natin yung sa dulo, guys, kasi mahaba-haba pa to. And ganda rito, ano, for exercise actually. Maganda siya for exercise. I don't know what is in there. Layo pa. Sige, puntahan ko nga. Ang mga kasama ko nagpipicture pa yun, so iiwan ko na lang. Mag-walking tayo. This is good for the cardiac vascular exercise. So pag hapon pala, may mga musician pala din dito magtutugtog, kasi mostly hapon naman talaga yung ano, mga turista magsisidatingan, kasi ngayon mainit, guys. It's still 1 PM and it's too hot. Most probably tourists will come at 3 to 4 until 5 or early in the morning, because they will open at 9 AM. So maganda siya pag umaga, masyadong maaga, like 9 to 10. Yung 11 medyo mainit na talaga yan. And in the afternoon, 3 to 6 PM, maganda dito. Pero dahil tayo ay vlogger, wala tayong pinipili na oras, basta makakuha na tayong magaganda ng content. So that's it. I want to go to that place. So ang dulo nito, parang yun, guys. Ang dulo nito, gusto ko mang pupuntahan doon, pero masyado ng it takes 10 minutes. Yan, 10 minutes kasi paikot pa ako. Papunta pa ako doon. Yan. So shout out sa mga campers, members diyan, mga ka-campers. Lord of the Legends, Igorota Capture, Jean Pierce in Texas, Ma'am Simply Dimples, Ma'am Pina in Texas, Shira Omega, Unbeatable TV, Josie Ambo, Aurora Claros YT, Vince V Vlogs, sino pa bang mga, si Glorious TV, Kuya Iwa Hawaii Life, And Zero Wheel Road, Bisaya TV, Milani Vlog, Green Tang, Just Trends, Thursday Kill. Sino pa ba mga members ko? Wilma Galindo. And sino-sino pa ba? Kung hindi ko ma-mention lahat guys, sorry. Special mention ko na lang later. And this is for the vlog. We have to sacrifice to go wherever it takes. Medyo may kalayuan. Ito pala yun. Hingal na ko. So aakyat pa ako dun. Huwag na siguro. Pero gusto kong aakyatin dahil gusto kong makuha yung view sa may bicycle lane pa dito. And parang may court siya guys, oh. May bicycle lane. Di na bali kung anong masasabi sa mga kasama ko. Naiwan ko sila dun. Kasi in the group ako lang naman ang vlogger. So it seems like they can't appreciate what I'm doing. Akyat pa. Mas lalong hihingalin tayo guys. So akyat pa tayo dito. Yung sa kanila pictures lang yun. So madaling gawin. Hingal guys, hingal, sorry. But at least malaking tulong to sa kalusugan ni Campers Creed. Ito na yung pinakadulo. So it means to see success tayo dito. Success. Whew. So ito yung pinaka end point. The terminal. Hingal. Ganda. Yun pala yun sa dulo. Sa baba. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda, di ba? Yan. Hinihingal ako. And dyan tayo galing. Dyan. Papunta dun. Yan. Hingal. So once again, we are in Ratchaburi. Ratcha means jewel, Buri means city, and therefore it is called the city of jewel. And this place is called the Snake Mountain kasi maraming snake daw dito guys, mga Cobra King, ang dami dito. So patayin ko muna para makapagkuha tayo ng photo, i-contribute natin sa Google. Downhill, pabalik na tayo guys, baba na tayo. Oops. So ito na, pabalik na tayo. Pabalik na tayo. So dyan tayo galing kanina. Uy, slippery. Hindi pala dalhin ng yung aso. Dapat pinalakad ko na rin si Yushi and Yuri. Ito. Oh. Ah. Hello. Hello. So, balik na tayo guys. Parami ng tao si it's cooling down now. Cooling na ang temperature. Kanina pagdating namin sige masyadong mainit. So basa na tayo sa pawis. Hanggang dito lang guys. Maraming salamat. Campers Creed signing off. Pawis tayo. Basa na yung damit ko guys. Basa na. Yan. Snake Mountain. Ito yung paligid. Masyadong mainit. Pero for the vlog, di bali yung init guys. Di bali yung init. Maraming salamat. Campers Creek signing off.